Welcome back again to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make or edit labels for your profile so you can make the best labels for your profile. Okay, so let's begin. So from the previous lesson, I've shown you how to make the best fit profile, and this is the one I made with the profile creation tool. So I made it myself. As I told you, after multiple attempts, I was able to reach this one. So this is the design profile I made. Okay, you are free to make a lot of attempts or to use the uh, best fit profile. Okay, so for me, I've drawn it myself. Okay, so let's show you how to make the labels. Okay, so just click on here, click on the profile, right click and hit on profile view properties. So we need a lot of stuff to add here, so we are going to delete this one at the moment. Okay, when we hit apply, you'll see that it disappears. Okay, so we will make our own band types. Okay, so we hit on create a new. Okay, let's call it design level. Okay, then make the band height 50. Or no, I don't want to begin with the design level. I want to begin with the stations. Okay, so since we have station already existed in the application, it will not accept it, you see? So I'm going to name it station instead of stations. So band details, make it 50 here and here 57. I will show you why I'm doing this. Okay, compose label. So we have given a name of station. Yeah, make sure to copy this station, the one you just made here in information. Make sure to copy it because you're going to paste it multiple times. Choose middle center, and on the profile data click here and Control V station, the one I just told you to copy, and make this 5 middle center. You see this, the blue box? You see the blue box here? So the blue box here is 75 meters width, okay, millimeters, sorry, and the height is 50 millimeters. Okay, so if I've changed it to 50, let's see. If I've changed this to 50, let's see how it's gonna be. You see, it's getting smaller. That's why I made it 75. Okay, so I'm going to make it 75 only for the station. Okay, so after we made the station, we hit on apply and okay. Then we go to compose label here. When this window pops up, just hit on X and station, band middle, profile elevation. So here we are going to use station value, but first we need to delete this, and the precision for the station we're going to choose 1, and station value as we just indicated. So station value, and oh god, precision is 1. Everything is good. Just hit on this and okay. Make this 5.5 and not top center, make it middle center. And let's give it a color. What color would you guys give to the stations? I'm not sure, but think I'm going to give it the cyan. And let's hit okay, apply and okay. So after that we go to the display. We use here, we untick until we reach the major stations. Don't untick the major stations. Okay, then from here until the major stations and hit apply. Then okay, then you have here station, not stations, station, the one I just made. You hit on add, you'll get this, and you hit okay. Then when you hit apply, you're going to see this. Okay, so 0, all 0 here, because it's just the beginning. Then 20, 40, 60, 80, okay. So as you can see here, we have before the 0 station, we have minus 20 station, and as well here we have at the end. Okay, so how to remove them easily? Just again hit on profile view properties, and when you come here, you see that label start station, label end station. You hit on apply, and they have vanished. Okay, so this is the first thing we've done, which making stations. Okay, now let's do the next one, which is going to make it design level. Okay, so profile view properties, create a new one. No, not you. Create a new, let's call it design level. Okay, and copy it. Band details, we're going to make this 50, and compose label, just name it middle right, no, middle center, and this is going to be 5, middle center. We might be able to, okay, everything's good. Middle center 5, profile data, let's change it here. Let's give it the name, did load. Sorry, what did load? Design level. Okay, design level, middle center, then 5 millimeter and middle center, and you hit apply and okay. Then to compose label. Okay, so delete here and Control V, band middle. Okay, so now we are talking about the design level. Design level is going to be profile elevation 1. Oh, wait, before that we need to erase this. Then we use profile elevation 1 and we give it precision of 0.001. 0.001. Then we make it like this. We hit on apply. Okay, give this 5.5 and top center, no, middle center. Let's give it a color. Not sure what color we are going to give it, but let's give it this one. And we hit OK, apply. Okay, then to the display again. Okay, as I told you about those. Apply, okay, and add, okay, then apply, and okay. Okay, let's zoom and see. So this is supposed to be the design level. Okay, as you can see here, the design level must be increasing. So 776, then here it's saying that it's 775. Is it correct? No, it's not. So there's a problem here. There's a problem with the design level, so we are going to correct it. Okay, so we have the design level. We can come here and we see, oh, okay, the design level isn't the EX surface. Okay, so this is the EX surface. You can see this is the ground level or the existing level. EX surface slash surface 1, and this is called VE exam 2. Okay, so we are going to edit it so the design level is VE exam 2. Okay, we head on here, VE exam 2, VE exam 2. Okay, and we hit apply and okay. As you can see here, things are better. You see, it's increasing. The numbers are increasing. 778, 778, 363. See here, yeah. So this is definitely the design level. Okay, so let's now put the existing level. Okay. I think you are getting to know how to do this. Okay, so just focus. I'm going to call it the, oh god. Okay. I'm going to edit it. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so existing level. I'm going to do it fast. Okay, so here when you click on this, just delete this one, and for cut and fill, oh sorry, what cut and fill? The existing level, you need to choose the profile to elevation, and as I told you, 0.001, you hit here and okay. This 5.5 middle center. Okay, just give it a color. Just make it this one. No, I don't like it. This one's better. Okay, middle center. Okay, here on apply. Okay, display. Just go to the display. And okay, add. Alright, and apply. Okay, let's see. Is it correct? Yeah. As you can see here, instead of increasing, it's decreasing. 776, 0.835, 0.575, 314. Okay, which is basically talking about the existing level that we're using here. Okay, so this is the existing level. Okay, now for the last thing, which is the cut or fill. So just focus with me for this last one. Okay. Okay, so we are going to make a new one. We are going to call it we are going to call it cut or fill. Okay, just Control C. And okay, then to the compose label. Okay, now if you want to know if it's cut or fill, you need to do as following. You need to click on profile elevation minus profile 2 elevation, profile 1 minus profile 2. Okay, and we are going to give it a precision of okay, 0.01. Alright, so you just hit on this, or let's make it 001. Okay, the below one, and we hit on this. So profile 1 minus profile 2, and we hit on OK. Then here, as we said, 5.5 to center, middle center, and we need to choose a color here. What color we should be given this? Let's give it okay, so suppose we are giving it this one. Okay, here on apply, okay, and as we said here about display, and apply, okay, add. Alright, so we hit on apply. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 0, we have nothing. Okay, so how we fix it? Okay, let's get back again to the profile of view properties. We hit on here, we select the first one, which is a design level, which is called VE exam for me here, and the existing level, which is called EX surface slash surface, and we hit on apply and okay. So how could you tell if it's right or wrong? As you can see here, we have fill area. This is fill, we are making no cut. So as you can see, the numbers are positive. Okay, until we get here. When we get here, the number is negative, which means that we need to find cut, and yes, here we got cut. Alright, so all of this area is cut until reaching this one. Let's see, yes, here we have fill, the beginning of the fill. So we've made it correct. So this is what we got about, this is what we got correctly about cut or fill. Okay, so if you got positive value, then it's fill. If you got negative, it's cut. Okay, so now let's make something extra. Let's right click on here and go to the profile view style. No, not this one, sorry. Go to the profile view properties. Yes, go then to the hatch and then click on cut area and fill area. So if you're going to talk about fill, it's going to be the design level upper and the existing level lower, and vice versa. Okay, you hit on apply and okay. Okay, wait a second. Okay, cut going to be, no, not V, oh god, 2 and 2. Okay, so this is what I got. My design profile is called V exam 2, and I'll hit on apply, and here as you see. Okay, so as you see here, we have green lines or hatches that shows that this area is fill, and here we have red, which indicates that they are cut, as well here green, 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 red, green. So this gives us good indication about how to draw the profile. So this is all for this video. I know it's kind of long video, but I hope you got some benefits from it. In the next video, I'm going to make some explanation for other things in the profile. This is all for today. Thank you for your watching, and I hope you've understand this lesson. Abbas was with you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.